Go to. It's a run in the book. Oh, a lot of heavy breathing in this video.
Getting on that GoPro?
Yeah, you should
Don't
be.
have yourself.
You know what I mean?
Nothing on. Come up to nothing on.
Should be. Might get my other shades too. These should be good. On contact. On the ground you go. There you go. Stay hot. Lie. Oh, Kelsey. Hey, don't forget the outside back if you're going home. 2 go in contact. There you go. Go, 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 go. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Outside bag, outside bag. There you go. Go ahead, go ahead. Let's go, Naima. Hey, hey.
Hi, honey.
Good eye. Let's go. More, Naima. You ready?
You on deck?
Good eye. Good eye.
Yeah, good swing, kid.
Come on. Now I'll fill it out there for you. Stay hot. Stay hot. There you go. That's a dropper. That's a dropper. There you go. Way to push it, Naima.
You said you couldn't reach your face. You did it.
Let's go, Ricky. That's an Ivan we know.
Is it Ricky up?
So yeah, just switch Ricky and Sean.
Oh, okay. I was like, we only have 2
Yeah, we
hats
just
on
moved
here,
you down a couple spots in the so you can get to Freddie.
Did you let their book know? Did you let their book know?
No, I ain't given her a book yet.
I texted Adam too. I don't
Yeah.
know what he's doing. I do think he's at work though.
Yeah, no, it's all good.
Say Rick.
Hey, that's a hit.
Justin, you care about something?
So, you want to that was good, man. Good job. You want to put
My guy.
my man.
How you, man? Good. Good to see you, brother. You know it. How are you? I'm good. 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 Happy to be out
You
here,
didn't
man.
hear me sing, man?
Huh?
You didn't come in and hear me sing at all?
I heard him back.
I was singing. That was me
I
singing.
was so lit.
Yes, you were, man.
Let them know. Let them know you were singing. Let them know. Let 'em
Nah,
know.
man.
There
Nah,
you go.
man. You feeling good that night, man.
Yeah. It's great to see you. You know it, man.
Laughed at me, huh?
We just like the way you walk.
Okay. I guess.
Here we go.
One leg is shorter than the other.
Just missed.
Good eye, all you kid. What's the short pitch? Oh, you better.
You gotta come again though. If it's not, it's a double.
Good eye.
Let's go, Jen.
Good, Jen.
Falling at the whole team without it.
Y'all should be stuck
Right the second, right the second.
Real intense over
He's
here.
rounding it, I respect it. Kid likes to run. Did you see that rundown?
No, you're fine.
That was the longest successful rundown in the history of softball.
Yeah,
And I threw up the stop sign early, that's what I don't
Yeah.
do. Hey, on me.
he was looking.
Come on, Kels.
Stay high, Kels. Yeah, nice, good
You're
ball.
tagging, you're tagging.
Go, they beat.
Jen, get here, Jen.
All the way, all the way, all the way, all the way. Outside bag.
Over here, Cal.
Go run and catch you.
You're like, oh my God, I'm not
Way to be, Kelsey.
Wait on, Jen. Getting our working behind Kelsey.
When you got another home run if I was in front of him?
Yeah, hopefully it can work like that. Every time. He literally walked. He walked. Yeah, every time a guy walks, you automatically first time.
Warning!
Put one out.
They're gonna be catching up to me. With all my fastness, I thought I had
I'm going to miss you here.
Who's got the book? Oh, Laura got it at first. So. Laura, how many out?
Yeah,
One.
One.
All right, cool. Thank you.
No, dude, I'm down with these. By playoffs, I'll have them down.
Hey!
Good ball.
All right, Liz.
Good ball, Ricky. Good ball.
Come on, girl.
Let's go, Liz.
Hey,
Last
wait,
time.
one.
Hey, one here.
Say hi, Liv.
All right, come on, Liz. Same way, kid. Good ball. Here it is.
Adam, good read halfway.
Oh! Good ball.
Right? They're just right there at every moment.
Time, bro.
Hey, we got two! 2 or 1, 2 or 1.
Two. Nah. I was trying to hit gaps, trying to work on my. Thank you. Thank you. Cause I'm ready to argue about my contract because this is bull. I should not be running.
Come on, suck it up.
Good eye, kid. Hey, way to give it.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Win.
Just missing. Nice pitch. Bottom 5, I think. Maybe. Good guess. Just a guess. I'm guessing he usually doesn't bat last. Just a guess.
Hey, shake it off. You're supposed to do that.
He's huge. Top.
There, you're right.
It's final play infield.
Charge it.
Yeah, hold it, not worth it.
Good there. Time.
I'm sorry.
Hey, look. Let me- You here? You up? You up? You up? Stay here.
That's Rocky. You got the ball?
Yeah. That guy up. He gonna hit a home run with this bat. He gonna hit a home run if he can get a hold of it. Yeah. With that bat, it's over.
I played with him before. He wasn't hitting like that. I don't know if it's just.
So, yeah.
There you go.
Hey, all right. Wait for yours. Good. Good eye. Yeah. If he catch it, it's over.
Yeah. That first one.
Yes.
Neff made a hell of a catch.
Good eye.
When he went to go get that,
Mm-hmm.
I ain't think he had it in.
For real.
I thought he cleared the bases.
All right, you better.
Let's go, Vols.
No, there's only 1, 2, and 3.
Let's go, Voltron.
Sure, no problem.
Yes. Ooh. He was scared. He was scared.
Hey, Short, good play, Short.
Good play, Short. You ain't want to catch the ball. You just want to protect your life. That's all.
That's the first good ball I hit. First time on the team. They don't like it.
Go, David.
Yeah, 1 out, yeah.
Good ball, Dave.
Come on, Ant. Come on, Ant. Come on, Ant. Keep going. Don't look. Keep going. You're home. You're home. Outside back. Outside back. Go, go, go. Outside back. Outside back.
Good ball, Davey. Hey, Josh.
Ant.
Please don't stop it.
Ant. Ant.
That ball's so hard.
I told you. That thing would hurt somebody.
Yeah, that bad ball.
Hey, there you go. Hey, look at you. By you. Good seeing you, Dallas.
Yeah, hard. I know. I was like, oh, he really stopped that? Cletus Kabewa. That's the story of my night so far.
Come on, you a batter? How many outs?
Dude, that felt so good off the bat.
That Di Marini, right? I don't even use my bat.
Come on. Come on. Stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there.
Come on, Justin. They don't count, though. I don't care about this one. I'd rather hit a shitty one than false.
All right, Jen.
Yeah, you see,
I
you
usually
caught
feel
his
good,
ass.
right, but
You caught his ass. You see that?
Here you go, hustle it out.
You caught that ass. Then get Jen on.
How many?
Cal. Now you get the run, Cal. Full speed. Let's go.
How many outs?
Two out, 2 out.
What inning is this?
No pressure. Let's go, Kels.
What inning?
2-1. Walker's a double, Kelsey.
and an RBI.
And RBI.
Add that in. That's what gets them excited, you know.
Dig it.
Come on.
That's that.
Go, 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 go.
It's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Nothing, nothing, nothing.
Good swing, Kelsey. Stay hot.
Here's Kels.
Can't get over here. I don't want to do that. That's why Dave asked me to play, so we need another pitch.
It'll come.
Ready, Drew.
Yeah, 9 minutes.
you suck!
God damn it!
Damn, Naima!
4 in, guys. 4.
Yes. No, I have 5.
Yeah, bro.
5 in.
Hey, you got a ball!
Watch that line.
We got one, small ball. Good job.
Yes, that's a good hit.
Good catch, Sean. Two here.
And then even like some other things, I know that's not Yes, we have that just go back for it. Rod, did you tell him he's stuck?
You're great. You're great, Kelsey.
Wow, you didn't tell him he's stuck?
Takes 4 batters.
You know what? I'm quitting that. Never coming back. I know you guys do.
Come on, Dave. Come on, Dave. Come on, Dave. Come on, Dave. Look at the ball. Let's go. Outside back. Let's go. Let's go.
I'll work it. Give him a second.
No big deal. One rain ain't gonna make no difference.